We would now like to demonstrate three key features of the PIARA database, including data flow, the importing of photos and annotated drawings from other programs into FileMaker, and the ability to perform preliminary analyses. To begin, we will demonstrate the different tables available for use on the PIARA database. Here's our operation table. Now we can switch over to context, which is the main entry form for the database. We also have general artifacts, special artifacts, carbon samples, photo registry, and drawing registry, as well as a bone inventory, what we will show later. Now I'd like to demonstrate how you can enter in a special artifact. Here's our special artifact entry form, which you can see different artifacts we've entered. And then it's as easy as pressing Create New Artifact to enter in. You put in the artifact number, which serves as a unique identifier, as well as other cultural provenience information. And then here you can see us make use of the other value by putting in whatever material this special artifact is. You can also take a picture. So here we have a donut. This was done in Seattle, so you know it's going to be a delicious donut, and it was. And then you can also put in who entered in this artifact. So now what we can do is we can go back to our context, and we have different tabs here as well. And if we go to the special artifact tab, we see that our donut special artifact has popped up. Now we will demonstrate how you can see the analysis of a special artifact by going through the regular database. So if we click on our special artifact tab under our context and click on the ceramic or the artifact we wish, and then click on the analysis button, it'll actually pull up a separate database which has all of our analysis information on it, including photos and drawings to help aid in the analysis process. As you can see, it's a separate database, but it's easy enough to switch back to the main field entry database. Now we can demonstrate how it's possible to import photographs or annotated drawings into the FileMaker. So what we can do is we can create, using iDraw, we can take an image that's either been imported through the iPad camera or through a memory card adapter, and make some notations on it. Say, for example, we want to say that the center tomb is going to be context 233. So we can mark that, put it on, and then save our image, and then actually export it to the camera roll. And then what we can do is we can switch back over into our FileMaker database, go to our drawing registry, enter drawing, create new drawing, and then click on our photo and our camera roll, and there's our image that we just created. And then you can put in its associated cultural context information so that we can link it up to the rest of the database. So we put it in as context 1, and if we go back to our context table form and we go to our digital drawings tab, there it is. Finally, we want to demonstrate the ability to perform preliminary analyses in the field or the lab as demonstrated through the bone inventory. But it's also possible to do this through the ceramic, general artifact, whatever inventory. So here you can see our bone entry form and our ability to highlight photographs taken on the iPad in the field. And if we go back to our bone inventory list, it's easy to sort by bone or age range or whatever option you would like just by clicking on the heading at the top. But if, let's say we want to find how many individuals we might possibly have in this tomb, or an MNI, minimum number of individuals. We can choose a bone, such as the tibia, and you can sort choose side, so we're going to use the right tibia and click on Perform Find, and it'll say we have 11 records found, meaning that there's possibly a minimum of 11 individuals. Thank you for listening to our brief demo of the PIARA database.